I will compare the new Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 with Sony Xperia Pro. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 comes with 6.5 inches LTP OLED display and success ratio 19:5:9. Sony Xperia Pro 6.5 inches OLED display and success ratio 21:9. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 run on the Android 14 operating system. Sony Xperia Pro run on the Android 10 operating system. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 it comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB 1TB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 8 GPU Adreno 750. Sony Xperia Pro it comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, 8 GPU Adreno 650. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 real set triple camera setup, 48 MP plus 12 MP plus 12 MP, front camera 12 MP. Sony Xperia Pro real set triple camera setup, 12 MP plus 12 MP plus 12 MP, front camera 8 MP. Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6 5000 mAh battery, 30W fast charging support. Sony Xperia Pro 4000 mAh battery, 21W fast charging support.